Hello guys, welcome to this Oracle Weblogic application server administration series. In this, we are just going to see about how to install Weblogic using GUI mode. Okay, and the next thing which we'll be see is we will see about how to do the domain creation also using GUI. In the previous videos, we've seen how to install Weblogic and how to create domain using console and silent mode. And this we will see about this GUI mode stuff. Okay, so to do this, must just you need to execute your binary. So if you specified mode as console, and it is going to open in the console mode. Okay, if I didn't specify anything, then it will automatically try to open the configuration, means the installation wizard. If it is not available, for example, the capability is not available, then it will default fall back to this console mode. Okay, so I'm just giving enter. So it's extracting things. Just we need to wait for a few minutes. I think probably I can skip over this. The extracting is completed. So it will open up something like this. You are doing it in the GUI mode. Okay, so this is welcome one. So just give next, just like any other software technology. Here I can choose my middleware home. So I just going to install in this Oracle Weblogic. So okay, so next. So I don't want to receive any updates, so I'm just giving no unless. So I want the typical installation as it is. So let's just give next. Okay, wait for this progress bar to be completed 100%, and the domain will be created. That's it. Okay. I think I can skip over these two to reduce the size of the video. Okay, the installation is complete. That's it. Okay, so the installation is complete now. Now you can open the quick start using this, or you can straight away go to the config your WebLogic home, and you can open the configure as such to create the domains. Okay, so I'm just going to use this run quick start option. Just giving done. Then open up this quick start screen. So in this, I'm just going to use this particular option. I'm just going to get started with the WebLogic. So it will by default it will open configuration wizard. You can open it using the configure assets which is available inside the WebLogic server home. So just create a new WebLogic domain. Yes, next. So by default, basic WebLogic server domain is enabled, and as it is disabled, you can't do anything with it. And if you want to create any other domain, then you can create some. Okay, so I just want to leave it to the default option. So next. Okay, you can give whatever the domain name that you want. I'm just going to leave it to the default domain name. Just give next, and now we can enter. You can choose your username, password for your WebLogic administration console. I'm just going to use the same username. I'm just going to mention a password, which is a combination of alphabets and numbers. So you can choose between the modes here. I'm just going to use the development mode. I'm just going to use the Sun JDK. So I'm just giving next, and I want to create administration server. I'm just giving next, and my administration server name should be this, and it should listen on all the local address. I want 7001 port as my administration server listening port. Just giving next. I just create it. Might take 1 minute or so. Just okay. So that's it. You can just click done. Now you can go to your domain home. Okay. I just already configured my domain home earlier in my bash RC to access it easier. So this is my domain home. I'm just going to navigate inside it. Okay. So this is my domain home. I'm inside my domain home. Domain whatever I created is available over here, which is going to hold the binaries and the server details. So I'm just going to binaries. I'm just going to start my WebLogic in background. Okay, so just including the ampersand background symbol to run it in the background. So that's it. You can verify the WebLogic version here, and you can even verify the Java version over here, and you can verify the heap, min, max size, and the other command line arguments like permgen, max permgen values and stuff over here. Okay. So it's come to running mode, and by default it is listening on this port. So I'm just copying this. I'm just going to place the same in my browser console. Okay. So this is the administration's console context root. So you need to specify /console. So enter the username password which we provided while we created the domain. That's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.